Hello YouTubers, and welcome to my favorite space video. And I'd like to thank Inspired By for inviting me to this YouTube challenge. This space right here happens to be my dining room, and it is my favorite space because it is ever changing. This year, for summer of 2018, I decided to do a fuchsia and tangerine themed table. And I even carried the colors up into my window treatments. I wasn't able to find any fuchsia panels, so I had to go to Joann's and just get the fabric and make them. But that was pretty easy. So now I have fuchsia and tangerine there, as well as the table. And on the table, the place settings were a lot of fun. Guys, I wasn't able to find fuchsia or tangerine placemats, so what I did was just take some old vinyl ones that I was no longer using and just wrapped them in fabric and covered them in these little gold seals, which look like polka dots all over. Another thing I wasn't able to find, I wanted the place setting to have a pink plate. I had these little orange ones. I got those from at home a few years ago, but I didn't want to go out and buy pink ones, because if you do these tablescapes as often as I do, you just can't go out and buy every color every time. You'll end up having a lot of clutter and a lot of excess of things. So I didn't want to do that. But what I did was just take some clear plates that I had that I got from Goodwill some time ago, and just on the back of it, I just Mod Podged a napkin, pink napkins. I used 2 on each plate like this, and it's only on the back, so you can still eat off of the top of it. And the good thing about it is it's water soluble. So at the end of this season, or when I'm ready to change the table out again, all I have to do is set that plate down in some warm water, and it will come right off. And I can use those clear plates clear again, or I can change it to another color or theme. So that was pretty easy and economical. And as far as my centerpiece, that was inspired by something I saw on Pinterest. Those oranges are real, and they are fragrant, and they smell so good. They just make the room just give this fresh smell, and the colors are really pretty. There's some birds of paradise flowers in there. There's a few lilies, and all of those colors just say summer to me. So there you have it, my summer tablescape for 2018. And I'll link down below a video of all my tablescapes. Like I said, I do them year round, and I have fun with them. Oh, here's a little candle holder that I got. I think I got this from Goodwill. Isn't that pretty? It's just little branches, little golden branches. And then the actual candle holder is iridescent. I don't know if it will show up on camera, but it's real pretty, iridescent glass. And on the other side, I just have all of these things I've already had, some little crystal candle holders, and I went with gold candlesticks because I have accents of gold throughout. Even the flatware, some brass flatware that I've had for years. So there you have it, my favorite space, 2018, the dining room. Thanks for watching, guys.